In this video, I'll be showing you how to premiere a video on YouTube. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and navigate to the video you want to set as a premiere. So go to YouTube Studio, go to Drafts, and then select your video. Once you're in the editing page, once you finish setting up, say for example, the title, thumbnail, and all sorts of information you want added, all you need to do is simply come to visibility, and then under visibility, you should see schedule. So go ahead and select that, and then you should see set as premiere. Now, you can set up a premiere schedule. So for example, when you select it, you can choose the theme you want, and you can choose the countdown length. Once you've done that, simply select save, and then choose when you want your video to come out. For example, let's say you want it to come out at this time, or whatever it is you want it to come out, and then schedule. Once you do that, now any subscribers on your channel will be notified that this video is going to be premiered at that specific time. And if they come even earlier, they'll be able to see the countdown being shown. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.